I want to talk to you about what is a Rainscreen today. Take a look. You see, it says Rainscreen right there, Rainscreen. What is it? So back in the day when you're doing stucco, sidings, whatever, you have the plywood, right? And then you do 3 layers of waterproofing paper, and it has to be 20 hours each, 20 minutes each. So to get into the 60 minimum, one piece of 60 minimum. Now, the new code request, the problem was when there was a crack, water came in, they stayed there for more than 20 minutes, more than 60 minutes, the paper began to be dissolved. And then the water would penetrate inside to your wall, drywall, and so forth. Mold is generated, okay? So what they've done, they created the Rainscreen. Let me see if I have a piece here. Let me show you how it looks like from the inside. Come. So you see, this side is basically what touches the wall, right? So you put 2 layers. You need to reach to the 60 minutes. You put 2 layers, 1 layer all the way of waterproofing paper, and then on top of it, another layer, okay, to cover all of the gaps between. And on top of that, you're putting the Rainscreen. Now you see those lines? You see those lines in between? You see those lines that runs? Water will go from here or whatever it is and will go down. So think about this area, right? That it's lined straight, overlapping always, go straight. So water will go down and then jump out from the flashing. That's basically what Rainscreen does. This is the new requirement, the new code. You have to follow it. Now, if your house already has a regular stucco, right? And you're doing only 1 wall, then you can grandfather it. You don't have to change to the new system. But if you're doing more than 50% of your house, you should definitely do with Rainscreen.